everyone, I'm finally updating you guys on my
Bath and Body Works project plan.
who knows what comes next. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. It's been a month since I last did this update. I've just had a lot going on in the month of June and different uploads that I had to upload. That did not make any sense, but I'm finally here with an update. So let's just jump right into it, and let me start off by the products that I have finished up on this project. So a month ago, I basically put in Gingham brand new, which is a brand new Ultra Shea body cream, into this project pan. She's done. This smells so good. I'm really sad that it's gone. I don't have any backups of it, and I don't have any plans on purchasing this for like buy two get one or like some weird sale that they're going on. I want to get through a couple of other lotions. I definitely recommend this. It's a nice light, but has some character to it, spring and summer scent. You can tell that there's a floral in here, so you might not want to use it for like the fall and the winter if you're very like seasonal specific. But because summer just started like literally a week ago, and we still have July, August, I consider September technically still summer, like all of it, and then October and November are still kind of hot here in California. So if you don't have any seasons, I definitely like recommend picking it up. As you can see, I got every last bit out of there except for that tiny bit, but it was kind of like hurting my hand to get back in there, and that's not enough for anything. So she is done. I've literally only been waiting to do this update so I can do my Bath and Body Works empties video, because I don't think I have really very many lotions, and I wanted to fill her up because I decided to use a medium bag this time, which was a mistake. Like usually I use small bags to fill that up, but no, I decided to use a medium. Crazy, right? Crazy. I also used up the Sunshine Days. As you can see, she is gone, but I still have 2 bottles of this, so she's not forgotten or completely gone. I really like this. I plan on bringing this back, but not this specifically, in my next update. Just not this one. And you will see in a second. She was really good. So glad that I have 2 more backups that I purchased off eBay, because literally the semi-annual sale has been doing me dirty by not bringing this specific scent back, but bringing everything back from the collection every semi-annual sale since this launch. So I had to go to eBay, unfortunately, and I had to pay like an arm and a leg in the world of Bath and Body Works for this. When everyone else can get all the other scents at the semi-annual sale for like 75% off. I did not pay 75% off for this, but you know what? She's worth this, and I still have 2 bottles, but I think that's gonna be like the last 2 bottles I ever have, just because if, you know, it's gonna be old if I try to get it off eBay again. So going directly into my empties file, which is right here, which is filling up with these lotions. I'm so happy. We have a technicality with this one. I technically also finished the Energy Aromatherapy Lotion, Orange and Ginger, but then I decided to fill it up with tiny little samples and like travel size bottles of lotion. So it looks like she's full again. So the original Aromatherapy Energy was up to here, and then I used it up and it was like down to here, and I couldn't pump it out anymore. And I couldn't really like get it to come out because it's a thick glass bottle. It is a small opening. So then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fill it up with other lotion. So this is a combination of the lotion from my project Use It or Lose It, which is the caffeinated lotion, and then as well as a travel size of the Stress Relief. So that literally brought it back up to where it was with the remaining Energy Aromatherapy Lotion, and now it's down to here because I have been using it. And I feel like this is like my own concoction of energy, because it has A, caffeinated lotion, B, stress relief, and C, a little bit of energy. So I've been using that up. I am just going to include it in this project now, especially because it's in this bottle. It is up to right here. However, it is going to stop about halfway, and I'm gonna have that same issue, and I'm just gonna let it go. So it will most definitely be done by my next update. I like to put this on before my graveyard shifts because she is back on the graveyard shift, unfortunately. And I will do a get ready with me talking about that and like what's going on and what my plan for July is. I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up. So what if it goes up like mid-July and they're gonna be like, what? What if that doesn't make sense? Just know I'm filming this on July 2nd, but you know, I need to have videos on backup because I'm going to college and I need to have an adjustment period and, you know, introduce whoever my roommates are going to be and to be like, hey, I make YouTube videos, so if you hear me talking to myself, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to my camera. So yeah, so hopefully you get to see this early on in July. You're definitely going to see this before my next empties video because my Bath & Body Works empties, because it wouldn't make sense to do that first and then do this video because these are technically already empty in that video, which I haven't filmed yet. So yeah, priorities. So she is back in this as a different concoction. I'm going to be using it up. She's going to be done, like literally it stops like right here and then I can't get anything else, and you know, what can you do? I'm not gonna throw this in my empties bin though because there's still product left, but I'm scared because it's a glass bottle. We also have my Tiki Beach candle. I haven't quite finished her yet, but she's almost there because I realized that even though that there's still a lot of product, so she went from here to here, even though there's a lot of product here, it's gonna stop like literally just an inch more and it's gonna die out. This is my last 3-wick candle. So watch out for my postmark because I'm going to be selling my 3-wick candle holder and other little odds and ends of Bath & Body Works things. So I do have it, my username down below. I'll probably also put it here. Keep an eye out because she's almost done and I'm not going to be buying 3-wick candles for like the next 2 years because there's no point in buying 3-wick candles if I can't be burning them on a daily basis like I usually do. So that is the school living on campus life. And yeah, but she's almost done. She will be for sure be done by the next update, but I'm not going to be adding a candle in because it's hot and I'm not burning as many candles. The one that's made little to no progress, it is my Sinful body care oil. This is the one that smells like sweet pea. It's just very hard for me to remember to use this because it's so tiny and it is an oil, so like you can't just spray it on and call it a day. You have to like rub it in. I am using it. This is like my project is to use it up by my next update, although I don't think that's gonna happen. I keep saying that, but let's be real. I want to use this up before I move. That is my ultimate goal. So I have about 2 months left and I just gotta remember to use it. I do tend to put it in my purse, which tends to be forgotten, but then it tends to be forgotten if I keep it with my perfumes. So I really had to remind myself to use this because it's just like the same little progress, and that's a little bit for a whole month's worth of time to use it up. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'm gonna remember to use you. I promise. I will use you up. Ooh, this one's exciting. So I finally put this in my purse whenever I go out, whenever I go to work, so I know to respray. And you guys, this is insane. So literally, like, I had been doing like steady little progress, just spraying before I go to work, spraying before I go out, and this has been little. Literally, I put it in my bag and I spray myself like 2 to 3 times a day now, and look at that progress. So this will for sure be done by the next update. I'm so excited. I'm still using Winter Candy Apple and it's July. This is for sure going to be done, which is really exciting because you guys know I have a lot of Winter Candy Apple backups in everything, and by everything I mean in body care. So I'm really excited to use one more thing up that is Winter Candy Apple, just because I have other stuff, and you know, fine fragrance mists also go bad. They start smelling like alcohol and like DRP, and yeah. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this back in my purse because that has been really working out for me. And you know, I want to get into my spring and summer fragrances. I love Winter Candy Apple, but you don't want to get tired of Winter Candy Apple. And you know, if you try to go through a full size like that, that could potentially happen. But you know, that would probably never happen. Adding new things into the project because I technically only have like that much lotion left. I'm going to be putting in the body lotion of Endless Weekend. This is full to the brim. If you've never smelled Endless Weekend, because it was unfortunately discontinued, they do bring it back in the sale, like this last in my annual sale. So it smells like fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and raspberry lychee sorbet. It smells really good. I think this is like a really good summer scent. It's fun, it's fruity, it's on the light side. She's good for summer. We like lotioning up. We are showing our legs, we are showing extra skin, and we do not want them to be dry. And the trash guy is coming around. That's great. Please excuse him because he has a lot of houses to go through, so I hope it's not that big of an issue because we're almost at the end. I'm adding in 2 non-Bath & Body Works product stuff because we don't discriminate on this channel with brands. We don't. I am adding in the Body Shop Coconut Nourishing Body Butter. I have used this a couple of times. Smells like coconuts. I love the smell of coconut, fun fact, but I hate the taste of coconut. I can't. Like, that just brings me, so if you're 21 and you go out drinking, like one time I went out and I had a pina colada, and I don't like coconut, and I had spaghetti that day, and let's just say that was the one drink that took me over to the edge, and there was spaghetti chunks on the beach that night. Let me just tell you. Know your limits, guys. Not just know your limits, but don't drink things that make you gag when you're sober, because when you're not sober, that was not going to end nice for you. So I just want to use her up. She is very moisturizing, so I think it's a perfect thing for the summer, especially because I need to like work on not being pale anymore. And again, I do apologize for the trash guys in the back. They're very rude. How dare they like do it while I'm filming a video? How dare I film this video on trash day? Anyways, so hopefully I have that used up by next one. I still have a couple of more The Body Shop lotions, but yeah. Last but not least, this is what I want to smell like all summer. I want to smell the scent and be like, this is my summer fragrance. And it is the Brazilian Crush fragrance mist. This smells like the Boom Boom cream, but in a spray form, and not quite the Boom Boom cream, but still very, very good. And this is like the travel size because it came in a kit that I got during the holiday time, and I think this is perfect to like, this is enough to use it all over the summer. The packaging is luxe. Like, I love this. That's rude. I was in the middle of it. But just to finish off before I started making noise, this is what I want to smell like all summer. All summer. So I definitely want to use this up. Again, one less thing to move in the move, but also like, I just feel like this is what I want to remember of summer when I smell this. So yeah, that is everything that I'm adding in for this round of my Bath & Body Works project pan. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. I will try to get better about posting updates. I just feel like, you know, I got a little carried away with other videos and I kind of just forgot about this, but that's okay. You know, as long as I make an update and don't forget about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.